Hey guys, and welcome. So in this video I have a little announcement to make, but before that a quick introduction. So some of you who are familiar with this channel will know that over the last 10 years I have been creating design courses and series to help aspiring designers. Now to date I have done about 7 courses, and those involve things like the design process and how to use creative tools. Now, my vision for this channel is to keep creating design courses, and I've got a couple more coming out later this year that I hope you guys will enjoy. But the goal is just to keep making courses so aspiring designers can come to my channel and learn the basics and learn a lot of things that will help them unleash their creativity. So it's going really well and I'm really enjoying doing that. But what I'm finding is that YouTube is not particularly good for engaging on individual basis or even as a group. So I've been thinking about this for a while, so now it's time to launch a community. So this channel is kind of turning into a small school. It's like a design school. You know, I'm trying to cover all the bases, all the touch points, so aspiring designers can come and learn everything they need. So I've decided to create a community called the GDS Design School Community. Now this is an opportunity for us all to come together in a single platform where we can all talk to each other. You can share your work, you can give feedback to your peers, we can just talk about all things design. And what I'd really like to do in future and soon is to create fictional design briefs so we can undertake design challenges. So if you're an aspiring designer looking to practice your skills and build some work, I'll be putting out some design challenges, which I'll be doing myself and hopefully you can participate in. And once we all have a finished work, we can all talk about it and share it together and have positive feedback and design crits. So this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, but I've kind of been thinking of how to do it. So I think the best way to do it is to create a community. Now, I've decided to create a community over on Discord. It's free, guys. You can just totally join for free. If you find the link in the description, you can head over to the Discord community, and I've made it open to everyone. So you're all free to join. So guys, if you're interested in getting involved in the close community, talking to your peers, sharing your work, and potentially getting involved in some design challenges, head over and join the Discord server. So guys, tell me, what would you like to get out of a closed community like this? I'm looking to create the best community I can for you. It's not just about me, guys, it's about all of us. I want us all to join so we can all talk to each other and all help each other out. So tell me, what would you like to get out of a community? Would it be design challenges? Would it just be to talk about design work? Would it just be to, you know, share your work and get feedback? Let me know what the best design community would be for you so I can help create that for us, okay? So if you're interested in checking out and joining the Discord server, check out the link in the description. It's free to join. I can't wait to see you there and start talking to you and getting involved on a much more deeper level. So until the next video, unleash your creativity and I'll see you soon.